Today I'm going to be sharing with you my food-based supplement routine for the past year.
This video is not sponsored.
Before I show you the goods, I want to share a few things with you for you to keep in mind.
You don't need to take all or anything that I take. This is what works for me personally. And of course, before taking any new supplements, food-based or not, check with your trusted healthcare provider.
Okay, let's get into the collection, shall we? These are the supplements that I take every day. The Naturelo. The Naturelo Premium Supplements Prenatal Multivitamin with Folate, Iron, and DHA. I really like these supplements. I love when you look at the back of the bottle. It tells you the natural source of things. For example, the choline is from sunflower lecithin. The vitamin E is from rice bran. The vitamin D is from lichen. Whatever. The vitamin C is from acerola. But of course, it's a prenatal vitamin. You don't have to take a prenatal vitamin if you're not pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you're not planning on becoming pregnant. They have just like a regular women's formula. Okay, the next one that I take every single day, the Botanica Vitamin D. That is sourced from organic portobello mushroom. Like, how cool is that? When I found this, I was so excited. It was really hard to find a food-based vitamin D, and since I found this one, I've been all about it. Take one every day. Vitamin D, baby, it's important. Let's move on to my seasonal items, or the items that I don't Let's move on to my seasonal food-based supplements, the ones that I don't take all the time, the ones that I don't take every day, but still like to supplement with once in a while. The Naturelo Bone Strength Plant Calcium Complex with magnesium, C, D3, K2, and zinc. Because I'm breastfeeding, I like to do a calcium supplement, not every day, but just when I feel like it. And I've noticed like a huge difference in even like my teeth. Sometimes when I'm breastfeeding, I feel like my teeth start to get like a little bit sensitive. When I'm taking this, my teeth look great, they look normal, they feel great, they feel normal. Love that. Another one that I take once in a while that I like to take while I'm breastfeeding is a DHA. But DHA isn't just for breastfeeding, it's also great for everyone. It's really great for your brain and for your eyes. So it's the Flora DHA Vegetarian Docosahexaenoic acid. That's what DHA stands for. The last supplement that I take once in a while, I used to be a big fan of this company, but I will be taking the supplement no longer thanks to one of you guys who let me know that the formulas have changed. This is an older bottle. The MegaFood Blood Builder. And I'm so sad because I really liked this. It was highly effective, but things have changed. I did a little bit of digging, did a little bit of investigating. And of course, their blog was one of the first things to pop up. And pretty much what they said was, reason why it seems like the formulas have changed, so like the concentrations had changed, was because the FDA changed the daily recommended amount of the vitamins. Therefore, they had to change their packaging. Okay, I'm like, fine, that's reasonable. So I look at my bottle and I compare it to the new label, and it looks like all the amounts are actually the same. But there was something that I did notice that I was not happy about. There was something that was different, and that something is that the B12 on the new label says that it is sourced from cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin, as in cyanide, as in potassium cyanide is used in the production of cyanocobalamin and is not the natural form, which is methylcobalamin. For example, methylcobalamin is what is in my food-based multivitamin. Moving on to my protein powder. The protein powder that I'm taking right now, I switch up my protein powder once in a while. I'm not super attached to any protein powder. I no longer take Vega. There are better options out there. The protein powder that I am taking right now is the Botanica Perfect Protein. That's a bold statement, but you know, it's a really good protein. And it is made with brown rice, quinoa, coconut. And this one is vanilla flavored. So I really like this. It tastes really good. It's not chalky. I feel like it digests well. It doesn't upset my stomach. I also like Garden of Life makes a really good protein powder. Hemp, yeah, makes a really good protein powder. Another thing that I put in my smoothies, Moringa. And I really just like the flavor of it. It's nutritionally dense. This one is from Ecoideas, one of Earth's most nutrient-rich superfoods. And it's just a nice nutritional boost. Another thing that I put in my smoothies, the Manitoba Harvest Hemp Hearts, 10 grams of protein and 12 grams of omega-3 and omega-6. So that is just great, loaded with so many essential vitamins and minerals, and they taste delicious. Definitely do not go overboard with the hemp seeds because more isn't always better. So I definitely try not to exceed the 3 tablespoon amount. Have it in moderation, not every day, switch it up, but it is such a great nutritional superfood. Some other food-based supplements that I like are Pranin A to Z and Garden of Life mykind. I love Pranin's A to Z. My only thing with that is that it's a powder, so it's not as convenient as taking a capsule. So that's really great when I'm really into smoothies because you can just mix that into your smoothie. If they made them in capsule form, then I would be all over that because it is such a good food-based supplement, probably one of the best. But I don't eat smoothies every day, and once I tried to mix it into juice and it was just disgusting.
That is my food-based supplement routine. That is what I've been taking for the past year. I'll be Van Heffa with your shopping.
And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. That is my food-based supplement routine. I think it's time for a break. Starting to get a little loopy from talking to myself. Yeah. Oh.